Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get started with Google Chat Rooms. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to chat.google.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log in using your Google account credentials. This will give you access to all the collaboration features Google Chat has to offer. Now that you're logged in, there's something important you need to know before we proceed. Google has rebranded the Rooms feature, and it's now called Spaces. So whenever you see the term Spaces throughout the interface, just remember that this is what used to be referred to as Rooms. They function the same way, allowing you to create dedicated areas for team collaboration and communication. To create your first space, look at the left side of your screen and click on New Chat. This option is your gateway to starting conversations and creating collaborative workspaces. Once you click it, you'll see a menu appear with several options for different types of conversations. From that menu, click on Create a Space. This action will open up a new window where you can customize your space settings and get it ready for your team. Creating a space is perfect when you need a dedicated area for ongoing projects, team discussions, or any collaborative work that requires multiple people to stay connected. Now you'll see some customization options for your new space. First, you can click on the emoji icon to choose an avatar for your space. This visual element helps members quickly identify the space among other conversations. After selecting your avatar, input your space name in the designated field. Choose a name that clearly represents the purpose of the space, making it easy for members to understand what it's for. Once you've entered your space name, click Create to finalize the setup. Congratulations, your space is now created. But a space isn't complete without team members, so let's add some people. Click on Add Members and you'll see a field where you can input email addresses. Type in the email addresses of the people you want to invite to this space, then click Add. They'll receive an invitation and can join the conversation right away. Google Chat Spaces offer more than just messaging. You can also share files directly within the space, making it easy to collaborate on documents, spreadsheets, or presentations without leaving the platform. Additionally, you can assign tasks to your members, helping everyone stay organized and on track with their responsibilities. At the bottom of your screen, you'll notice a text field. This is where you can input messages and send them to everyone in your space. Simply type your message and hit send to start the conversation. This makes communication quick and efficient, keeping everyone in the loop. And that's it. You've successfully set up your first Google Chat space and you're ready to start collaborating with your team. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.